Narendra Modi has said ASEAN is central to India's Act East policy and India-ASEAN relations are driven by common priorities, bringing peace, stability and prosperity to the region. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was addressing the 14th ASEAN-India Summit in Laos PDR capital Vientiane this morning. Expressing deep concern over terrorism, the Prime Minister said that the export of terror, the growing radicalization and the spread of extreme violence are common security threats to our societies.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed deep concern at the rising export of terror in an apparent reference to our western neighbor. He said terrorism is a common security threat to the region. He sought a coordinated response from ASEAN member nations to combat the menace. While addressing the 14th ASEAN-India Summit in Vientiane, the PM also noted that growing radicalism through the ideology of hatred and spread of extreme violence are the other security threats.
In the face of growing traditional and non-traditional challenges, politico-security cooperation is a key emerging pillar of our relationship. Rising export of terror, growing radicalization through ideology of hatred, and spread of extreme violence define the landscape of common security threats to our societies. The threat is local, regional, and transitional at the same time. Our partnership with ASEAN seeks to craft a response that relies on coordination, cooperation, and sharing of experiences at multiple levels.
In his remarks, Prime Minister said that ASEAN is central to India's Act East policy. PM said enhancing connectivity is central to India's partnership with ASEAN. He termed seamless digital connectivity between India and Southeast Asia as a shared objective. He reiterated India's commitment to the master plan on ASEAN connectivity.
Enhancing connectivity in all its dimensions, physical, digital, economic, institutional, and cultural, is at the heart of India's strategic partnership with ASEAN. And readiness to link our economic success and share development experiences with ASEAN nations, especially the CLMV countries, drives our engagement.
PM proposed to enhance the ASEAN India Fund with an additional grant of $50 million. PM also proposed joint task force on connectivity to work on extension of India-Myanmar-Thailand trilateral highway to Cambodia, Laos and Vietnam.
Three important pillars of India-ASEAN partnership, that is security, economic and socio-cultural ties, were the focus area as far as ASEAN-India Summit is concerned. Prime Minister Narendra Modi clearly emphasized on increasing the digital and the physical connectivity between India and ASEAN region so that trade and investment can get a major boost. So all in all, ASEAN Summit will give a major push to India's Act East policy. With camera person S. Jayashankar, Arun Sharma, Doordarshan News, Laos PDR.